Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Hope everyone is doing well out there today. Now I want to take this moment to say a big congratulations to Elaine Thompson on receiving her honorary degree from the University of Technology, UTECH, right? So she just received a honorary degree, a doctorate, Doctor of Laws from UTECH, from the University of Technology. So big her up on that. Now if you stick around, I'm going to tell you what she say in her thank you post, but I have a video I want to share with you now, and I'm going to tell you afterwards, right? So this video I want to share now. From what you know, them I do this little prank thing where everybody has send the voice note and them I say, send me the, and them not actually say what it is. So it seems like mostly parent people are sending to their mother and father, and you know what I mean, I draw them out. So we hear it all over the social media, right? Now I have one with Popcorn mother and Popcorn sister, Miss Rona and Squid. So I go play that for you so you can hear what Miss Rona say. So take a listen. Here goes.
Miss Rona, look at your phone and send me this.
Lisa, what if you send you because you say Miss Rona look in your phone and send me a day. You stop.
Now there's something what me send over there, send me back. May I wait for it, just send me this. Run away, something that me tell you if you send me, man, send me this.
Lisa, I know me ask you with something you can't tell me. You not tell me where me fi send you. You just say, Pam, send me the. That's all you say. You not send me nothing more. Me ask you. So how me fi send you something, and me not know what you talk about.
What mean you don't know me I talk about? Me send you an advice, so just hurry up and send it.
Lisa, in the name of Jesus, you get mad, you idiot. Me say you not tell me what fi send.
Pam, so where you cuss up from my end, me I tell us if you send me the. What you mean you not hear what me I say? Or from yesterday me ask if you send me. Run and be there in one meeting and me go back in the meeting now. Me not understand why you not hear the voice, so just send me something now. The blue. Me come out of my meeting if you text you, hurry up now.
Lisa, the voice not tell me where you want me send. Text the sitting name of the sitting where you want now. Me don't know where you talk. The voice not say it. You annoy me with this thing.
Pam, look how long me text you. You not see the text when me send it now.
Lisa, text Opal. Because me not seen on my phone. The only thing me say Pam, mother. That's all. Me not seen on else. See Lisa? Continue with the like a boy we call fox, yeah? Continue. When the fox are come for through, me never look.
Now people, they hear what Miss Rona say. You see me? The boy who cried fox. So you see me? We don't know so Miss Rona ever gonna make una laugh. So big up Miss Rona, big up Squid, big up Popcorn. You know the family that do it, and you know them always. You know what I mean? I put some fun stuff on the internet. Something ever more over there. So you see me? So big them up once again. Now people, let's get back to what Elaine said in her thank you post. She said, I feel so overwhelmed with joy to be recognized for my work and the many blessings from the Lord. I thank my UTECH family for awarding me with the honorary degree of Doctor of Laws. Thank you, my fans and my sponsors, for always helping me to keep the flame to my fire. Enough love and bless up, right? And she hashtag feeling blessed, hashtag gratitude, hashtag honor, hashtag UTECH, hashtag athlete, hashtag history, hashtag history book, hashtag is will, hashtag my faith. You see what me I say? She got all out. Now people, again, congratulations to her. Me know say, me feel say she well deserving it of it. And me know say a lot of you feel said we, right? Cause me not think there's nobody where I go say she not deserve this. You see me I say? If so, we don't take a shot down in the comment section, you know what I mean? And see what happen. You see me? But differently do people. She's well deserving of it, you know what I mean? She go represent for the country. This is just one of the things that UTECH could have do for say thank you. You see what I say? So when you just get down in the comment section and big her up and let me know what you think about Miss Rona and Squid video. Alright, so stay safe out there. I'm out.